Hello, this is Pete from Cortina City. I like Mk3 Cortinas, but for now, let's play petrol pump poker. Welcome. We're on another road trip film. You better come get on down now and check it out. Let me just get out of this garage and I'll be right with you and tell you what the hell's going on. Hold on 2 seconds, let's just make sure, because it's one of them wacky, it's a wacky Sunday. Who's it going to reverse from in that way, from that side? What the hell? There's potholes, there's a car coming this way, car coming that way, someone trying to push you out of the way. It's wacky Sunday, everyone's gone mad.
They make you look normal.
It's definitely wacky Sunday. Everyone's gone nuts. I reckon the car, there's just something crazy in the air today. Maybe it's because the first day when it's not actually snowed, rain peed it down, froze it down, hailstones, thunderstorms. So, what are we doing? I was answering that question a minute ago, but let me just get on the motorway and I'll tell you. Because there's just nutters. Everywhere, it's like someone's just turned the heat up and everyone's gone mad. Make sure the car works first, because I've just tweaked the timing. Got a new distributor arriving, by the way, with a different ignition map. Anyway, I'll raise my voice because we're joining the motorway. We are doing a questions and answers film. So what you got to do, hang on, I better get the light, let's see if that works. It's not bright enough, is it?
They're on the camera, woman's a bit rubbish. They are.
Yeah, that's it. There you go. We fixed it. Thought we had.
We are really good so far.
Yeah, I think it's going to work.
It's working, I can see you dead clear.
Oh yeah. Hello. Right. Totally forgotten what I'm going to say. We've done the P's again because that didn't work. This is my automatic tanning machine. It's part of Ruby's electronic features. You get a tan while you drive. What we're doing a Q&A. Look, what's the title of the video? Q&A. Throw me 30 questions. Throw me 30 questions. Throw me 30 questions. And leave them as comments. All the sensible ones will be published. And then me and Andy, photographer Andy, is going to come down. We're going to go through Project Ramble, but we're also going to do your questions and answers. All those things you want to know. It can be about the Cortina, the channel. Try and keep it Cortina related. We don't really answer non-Cortina related questions. And for this video, this another road trip video we're on as well, so we're doing a call out for the questions and answers, and then we're going to do a road trip film and a little treaty treat. We're going to take you to we're doing a revisit, a site revisit. You'll see what I mean when I get there. We're also off to Piggy Potteries. No idea why we're going to Piggy Potteries, but I will explain when we get to Piggy Potteries. What the hell's Piggy Potteries? The first street of the day is rolling up, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed that little motorway clip now off the dash cam. We're keeping the footage mixed between dash cam and handheld. The dash cam audio is not so good. I'm going to get a microphone, I think. Coming up shortly in about, sat-nav saying 25 minutes for your first treat of the day. You're going to like it. It's a revisit, but I'm sure you'll be glad that we do this revisit. Coming up soon. We'll see you in a bit. Pumps are still there. It's still in.
Wow. And there's lights on.
Yeah, there's always lights on. I can't believe it hasn't been broken into.
There's all parts and everything.
Oh yeah, I know. It's got a lot here.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here. Looks quite intact, doesn't look like much just changed. It's just chock full.
Look at this scenery, everyone.
I'm the camera woman.
And there, the scenery, the scenery, the scenery.
Hang on.
Mind you, I'll get it on down. Okay, coming up on our next treat. Will it still be here? According to my Google Earth's imagery searches, it should be coming up. Our target should be coming up in the next few minutes. Oh yeah, you go through this town. There it is.
Whoa!
There it is. We found it. Oh, it's still there. It's still there. Yes, yes, yes. The Capri's still there. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
The Capri's still there.
Bloody hell.
It's 2 years ago. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Keep the cameras rolling. Oh wow, Jim, it's still there. My God, the pumps are still there. Everything's still as it is. I can't believe it. It's not changed. It looked like the photo I had was from years ago. From years ago, they must have rotted up and demolished. Oh, it's all been demolished. No, it's not. It's still there. I can't believe it. It's exactly as it was. We've got to turn round. I've overshot. Ah!
Oh my God, has someone got some comms?
No, I can't turn there. Don't crash. Stay calm. I don't believe it. The Capri's still there, Jim. Gary, anyone who likes Capri's. No, Graham, Kenny, the Capri. Graham, Kenny, the Capri. Graham, Kenny, the Capri. Graham, Kenny, the Capri.
Woo! What the? Oh, and we're on our mission now.
Scramble.
Do you want me to do straight ahead?
Scramble. Mission successful, just enough daylight. This is an ordinary commentary. Here we go now, get ready for it. It's coming up. We're going to try and pull up outside. Radio silence now. We're going to try and pull up gently outside. Just enough daylight to film this, guys. This is a treat for the Q&A at the end. So we've got abandoned petrol station cars. The research paid off. Piggery Pottery. We told you we weren't going to Piggery Pottery. Here we come. Coming up on the left now. Just opposite the pub. Can we pull in? I don't know. There's not a lot of room. There's a lot of cars around. Oh, I can just about get in here. And I'm going to hazard light it. That's what we're going to do, hazard light it. Right by a junction.
South-southwest 4, continuous heavy rain, 3,900 yards. Portlandville, west by south 6, cloudy 7 nautical miles. Isles of Scilly, west 5, clear 13 nautical miles. Mumbles, west by north 6, fair 8 nautical miles. Aberport, southwest 4, clear 13 nautical miles. Ronaldsway, southwest 4, fine 13 nautical miles. And that's the end of the forecast for coastal waters. The time is just now 10 minutes to 12. This is David Duncan. And this is the end of the home service for the day and for all days. In one sense, I suppose we're like a bride on the eve of her wedding. We go on being the same person, we hope, but we will never again have the same name. Tomorrow at 6:35 a.m. we become Radio 4, and in spite of DJ Chris Denning, who appeared on television as a church, so we were yes to the home service.
And there it is. We leave the garage now. Just look at that for a time warp. Just time stood still. Those old pumps. One says Derv. And that was an old garage there. Okay, we leave. Let's go and get some food.
Have a chip.
Well, I've got chilly eyes because things are hot around here.
Oh,
Oops.
and you did eat a huge chili.
Well, it's to mask the real tears of today. We had a close escape from a public house with a negative experience. We went in, we got out.
We booked. That was the worst thing. So they knew our name.
Our married name was on the table, weren't it? So
I had to escape first.
not even booked under the pseudonym.
You had to sneak out after, didn't you?
Well, there weren't one piece of passing trade. Everyone in that place was local. Nobody.
No.
Nothing. That whole town
It was very strange.
been drinking its own water for too long. I bet them petrol pumps are actually piped to Ma Hooch's secret distillery. Because nothing's for sale. The petrol pumps aren't for sale. The enamel signs aren't for sale. The Capri's not for sale. The land's not for sale. The wood's not for sale. Nothing's for sale. And that other place, there's nothing for sale there either.
Ever.
The cars aren't for sale. The air filters aren't for sale. The oil filters aren't for sale. The bog roll ain't for sale. The asbestos isn't for sale. The tarmac's not for sale. The petrol pumps aren't for sale. Nothing's for sale. The pigeon shit's not for sale. Nothing's for sale. Nothing's for sale. Nothing's closing down. In fact, everything's opening. There's no closing down sale. We're opening up actually, as it happens. Opening up to the elements as the roof rots, and all the good stuff just decays because nothing's for sale. That'll do.